in California, Mexico in North America. Sea lions. Distinctive vocalizations and ability. The social animals that live in large colonies and are known for their playful behavior. Their body somehow makes them to swim smoothly in the ocean. One type of sea lion is the California sea lion. They feed on a variety of fish and squid and can live up to 25 years in the wild. Sea lions have distinctive physical characteristics that can be used to identify them. They have a large, barrel-shaped body, flippers with visible ear flaps, and a long, pointed snout. Their fur is thick and coarse, and can range in color from brown to blonde to black. Additionally, sea lions have visible ear flaps and visible chest hair. They also have a thick and short tail which is used for propelling themselves through water. It's important to note that sea lions are very different from seals, which have a more streamlined body shape, no visible ear flaps, and a rounder snout. They are wise, sharp and ready to dive in. But how does sea lion protect themselves? They protect themselves by using their sharp teeth and claws as defensive weapons. They also use their large size and strength to intimidate predators. Additionally, sea lions are able to swim quickly and maneuver in the water to evade danger. They also live in colonies, which allows them to warn others of potential threats and work together to defend themselves. How deep can sea lions swim in the ocean? Sea lions, we know, are capable of diving to depths of up to 600 feet, 183 meters, in search of food, but they typically stay in the upper water column and do not regularly dive to these depths. They are able to hold their breath for several minutes while diving. Sea lions are known to sleep both on land and in water. They typically take short naps throughout the day, lasting anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. They are able to enter a state of unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, which allows them to sleep with one half of their brain while the other half remains alert. This allows them to be aware of potential threats and predators while they sleep. The exact time it takes for a sea lion to fall asleep is not well studied, but it is likely that it varies depending on individual animal and circumstances. Overall, sea lions are social animals and live in large colonies, with males defending territories and harems of females during breeding season. Some sea lion populations are currently facing threats from habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing.